Welcome back, nutrition enthusiasts. Today, it's time for an in-depth avocado oil health check. Avocado oil isn't just a kitchen superstar, it's a health booster. Thanks to its monounsaturated fats, it's known for supporting lower bad cholesterol levels and reducing the risk of heart disease. But remember, while it's a fantastic choice, moderation is key. Due to its calorie density, be mindful of portion sizes. Avocado oil isn't just a healthy choice, it's a flavorful one too. Its buttery taste adds depth to your dishes. Use it for sautéing, frying, grilling, and even as a drizzle on salads. Its high smoke point makes it perfect for high-heat cooking, and it won't lose its beneficial properties. When it comes to cooking oils, avocado oil is a standout. But how does it measure up against other options like olive, coconut, and canola oils? Let's break down the differences and see why avocado oil is often considered the healthier choice. Avocado oil and olive oil are both rich in heart-healthy, monounsaturated fats, which can help reduce bad cholesterol levels. However, avocado oil has a higher smoke point, making it ideal for high-heat cooking. It also has a milder, more neutral flavor, offering versatility in various cuisines. In comparison with coconut oil, avocado oil stands out with a higher content of monounsaturated fats, which are healthier for your heart. Unlike coconut oil, avocado oil doesn't have a strong coconut flavor, making it a more versatile option. Additionally, avocado oil's higher smoke point makes it the preferred choice for high-heat cooking again. When we compare avocado oil to canola oil, avocado oil wins in terms of monounsaturated fats, which are excellent for heart health. It also contains omega-3 fatty acids, known for their anti-inflammatory properties. While canola oil has a neutral flavor, avocado oil adds a mild, buttery taste to your dishes. I hope you've already been inspired and added avocado oil to your shopping list. So when you get it, store it in a cool, dark place to keep your avocado oil fresh. This will help maintain its quality and extend its shelf life. Thanks for exploring nutrition with me today. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights in the future.